Right, I'm not sure if you can hear me. Sorry about that. I seem to be having technical issues on my side, but so we continue from where we left off on Saturday. Can't quite remember exactly where we. Can't seem to share my screen. I'm wondering why. Can you see my screen?
No,
Any chance?
no, can't see your screen, sir. Wait, this one has gone again.
Yeah.
It's still recording, by the way. Today everyone is in a good mood. I wonder why. Is it because of the test? It's like
It's fine to have something easy for once. It's fine to have something easy for once.
Yeah. Because, oh, he's back again.
Can you see my screen now?
No, sir.
Yes.
Great. Thanks a lot. I think you could initially, actually, before. Sorry about that. We continue from where we left off, and we introduced this notion of, I guess, a slightly more desirable technique rather than going for the sign magnitude technique. And we realize that, well, we introduce one's complement, and we realize that with one's complement, actually, there's certain things that we saw manifest themselves in using the sign magnitude technique or approach that just fizzled away when we looked at one's complement, and specifically this notion of zeros. I believe that was one of the things, I guess, the major things, the fundamental differences between sign magnitude and one's complement, right? And we went through a process of trying to really, if I can get to the part where we're looking at the, I guess the what you might call the advantages of one's complement when compared with sign magnitude. But anyway, I'm sure it's there, you know, you would find it. We also went through a process of well, the major issue was not really the zeros going away. The zeros are still there, but the major issue was this having a subtraction operation, right? So we went through some examples with magnitude where we were attempting to subtract or to add +1 and -1, and what we realized was we weren't actually getting the zero, right? We're supposed to be getting zero, but we weren't getting a zero. Same applied for numbers such as 5 and -5, for instance, right? And we realized that the solution to that is one's complement. So we went through specific rules that we are converting a decimal number into its equivalent one's complement coded value, right? Very trivial process. Turns out that all we have to do is flip the bits. If the number is negative, if the number is positive, then we just leave it as is, right? We just convert. We also went through a process of doing the reverse process, converting a one's coded binary value back to decimal value, right? And then we went through, I believe we parted ways when we were looking at rules associated with how you go about subtracting or adding negative numbers using one's complement, right? I believe that's where we left off. Correct me if I'm wrong here, but we were looking at we looked at this example. I think this is where we left off. So went through a very trivial process of first of all converting a positive number to one's complement. Yes, sir.
Have you uploaded the last class yet? Because I've not received any email yet. The recording of the last class.
No, I have not uploaded that.
Right.
I have not. Normally when
So you're breaking.
Yeah, I thought it was me.
Yes, I have.
It is breaking up for real.
No, not breaking up. Like I
recording is uploaded, an email. Hi, can I call you back?
Oh, yes, sir.
Is it just me or the site still breaking up?
No, it's everyone, boy. You're not alone.
There's a phone.
Steven left it.
He has a phone call, so
I'll
the network.
never walk alone. Damn. Today is bad, huh? Network is hard and bad.
I thought he was using Wi-Fi.
Yeah, that's what I thought also.
What's happening, eh?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, we can
Yes, sir.
hear you, sir.
Sorry, this is going to be one of those unorthodox things. Unfortunately, we're going to have to cancel class. Some agent work-related issue just came up. I do apologize for that.
No, sir, thank you
I
very
wasn't
much.
going to cancel if it wasn't urgent. Right, so we're postponing this class to Wednesday, but there's still a quiz that's going to be open at midnight. So sorry. Enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, sir.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Right, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, no problem.
Too bad much.
Yeah, what they
Memory, memory,